So today we're working on this Ariens Deluxe 24 Snowblower, and it's got this Ariens Axe 254 engine in it. What is that? 12.5 foot-pounds. Okay. So what's going on with it is the owner said he was blowing snow, and then it kind of stalled out a little bit, and he got it started again, and then it quit and died for good. So I went there to him and tried to get it started, and I went ahead to see if there was going to be any spark, and you'll see here, okay, that's the ignition cable. I cut that off because after I pulled the spark plug wire off, what was left behind, and I've pulled this apart myself, this was all inside of here, like so, okay. And when I pulled this off the spark plug, this was on the tip of the spark plug. So this actually was inside there, and it broke off. So this whole thing broke inside. And look at that, it's the original garbage torch spark plug. We'll change that. And so what I did is, after I cut that wire off, I got a replacement. This was about 15-16 bucks, and it's really hard to tell. You can't see from inside from here, but in the tip is like a wood screw, a threaded pointed wood screw thing. So we should be able to just screw it onto the right onto the wire here and get back into business with a new spark plug. We'll see if that works. Slip it in the end. Put a little pressure on it while we turn it. I don't know how far we're supposed to turn it. What? Well, it won't come off. Alright, well, we'll put the original spark plug back in place and see if it'll start. And if it does, then we're going to put a brand new spark plug in there. Alright, let's just see if we have spark if we push the button. Oh yeah, good spark now. Alright, got the spark plug back in place. Put the plug wire on. A little shorter than it was before. All right, there we go. Now we get it back to the owner, and he can go move some snow. Thanks for watching.